This I activated my wing. Yeah, guys, this is how we activate our wing. Yeah, so yeah, go search Kaharam Place, KHOARAM Kaharam Place, and find new search. Yeah, the free skateboard and cycle, and yeah, he'll basically explain how to get this. Yeah, so basically that's it. And yesterday only I found this bug. When I used to do cycle, yeah, the wings probably activated. But if you look at phone, yeah, if you look at phone, it is down. Without phone, up. Yeah, like this. I found a new way of activating, and yeah, in phonics, I have actually found the scuba diver suit. Yeah, so this is how we basically use it. 1 minute, guys. Yeah. I should do like this. It's so awesome, no, guys. Yeah, it's so awesome. I want to do awesome every day. Oh my god. Yeah, this is the secret, and yeah, let's go to my house. I have probably decorated my house super cool. You'll say, yeah, my house is so poor that I don't have anything. Yeah, you'll probably see that, and you'll only get shocked by the way. Yeah, like this. Get ready to be shocked. Yeah, this is the basically my house. I have transformed it to medium. Now I should transform to medium to rich. Yeah, so this is basically it. Some of you might be asking how you get this item. So by buying, or in the starting of the game only they will yeah, you should basically go in every stuff and click in the warehouse. You will get one free item. It is not too bad or too good, it's normal. Yeah, this is basically it. Yeah, and XD costume. Yeah, yesterday night there was yeah, this code that every YouTuber showed. I did not show it because yeah, in late night who will upload. Yeah, that's right. No, I'm uploading today. Yeah, this is the code. If some of you don't know, this is the code. It's expired cause I have been wearing it. Or second reason, yesterday night only it might been over. Yeah, it's all limited. Everyone got their shoot. Yeah, that's why. Now, yeah, guys. In phonics, I got a chest plate of a bird. While I got 10 gems, and I got 10 gems, and in that I got the wing. Now how I got 7 gems means in third secret box I got 5 gems. I mean 5 gems today. In 5 gems is how much rare, guys. I have got it, and in sixth secret box I have got 2 gems, so basically 7 if you add up in maths. Yeah, and I got new pets like yeah, Pikachu, Woolly Sun, and Hunt, Ponytail, Jack, Wild Pig, Sneaker. He will probably sneak, and he will probably get your money so easily. Yeah, and this is Flyer. He will fly across everywhere. Yeah, and that's it, guys. Thank you for so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.